In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use absorption in Dragon Block C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the absorption skill will need two requirements, and you will be able to press a specific key after you meet those two requirements. You will first need to be a Majin, and second, you need your ratio skill to level 4. If you want to use transformations and absorption at the same time, then it needs to be level 5. So to get absorption, make sure that your ratio skill, aka your super form, is at the very least level 4. If you want to use transformations as well, then you will need level 5. So once you have level 5 or level 4 on your super form, aka your ratio skill, you will see transformation available when you open the menu, usually done by pressing X. So enable absorption, and once you have the skill toggled on in this menu, all that you have to do is press G on your keyboard while attacking an enemy. So if you press G on your keyboard, you will see this pink effect, this pink blob, and it is going to go towards the enemy, absorb their power, it is going to increase yours, and it's going to deal a little bit of damage. So the default keybind is going to be G. As long as absorption was toggled on, as you can see here through the menu by pressing X, you can go into battle and then press G to use the absorption skill itself. As I've said before, you can be transformed while using it, but that requires level 5. So as soon as you press G, you will see the blob. It will go towards the enemy, absorb the power, and do damage, and you can use it as many times as you wish. However, after subsequent uses, it looks to be weaker, so keep that in mind. Ideally, you will use this once and then focus on your other moves. It isn't particularly strong. I hope I was able to help you on how to use absorption in Dragon Block C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.